really share some nuggets that can really stir up your mind to think different, to really add value in your process and really give you vision on what you want to do, not what you want. Not what you want to copy somebody else, man. You build whatever God put in front of you. You do it for your kids. You do it for your wife. You do it to get out of that 9 to 5 that you don't like, and you build wealth. All right, we're here to build wealth. We're here to build different type of streams of income. We do not want to sit in the computer 4 hours for the whole day and get drained and miss out for what God has planned out there. So let's get it. So I'm not gonna really go full in my how I trade. I do want to build a community for it, and I do want to teach individuals. I do not want to make it super big. I want to make it small. That's just my goal right now, but we'll see down the road. But I probably may do talk about it, but whatever. But let's get it. So the way I made a decision to trade like this is because I work at FedEx, 9 to 5, and I do not have time coming to the market to trade New York session, which is in the morning, London session, which is at midnight. Because in the morning I'm heading to work, and at night I'm sleeping. So what I do is either I come on Sundays and I look at the currency pairs. I look what the market is doing. I set up my chart like this, and I'll set my alarm. I put the arrows, what I want price to do, and I just go back to sleep and spend time with my wife and allow the market to come to me. Once the alarm hits, then we check our phone and see if it's ready to take a trade. All right. I'm still adjusting to the way I trade. I'm still adding more value. I'm still trying to make it more simple, but I do know how to come to the market, and I know how to trade. So most of y'all will know how I come in because it's the very basics. It's breaking reaches of support and resistance, market structure, downtrend and uptrend. That's basically it. You want to follow the trend because the trend is your friend. Now, I am going to talk about probably a advanced entry, but we'll see right now. I'm flowing as I go through this video. So, like I said, find a way you can trade, and from there, just go and practice back to it. So, like I was saying, I always come on Sunday and I look at the currencies and I try to see which market is moving good. Sometimes you're not always gonna find like what you want to see because it's Sunday. We all know that the forex market is open from Monday to Friday. Saturday is closed, and then it opens up again Sunday. And when it opens up again Sunday, you still have the same information from last week. So what I do is I give days to pass so it can build up that new information, and I can come in with this new week's information and trade it. So what I do is I come into the weekly time frame, all right, and bear with me. My computer does move slow sometimes, but as soon in Jesus' name I'll get a MacBook and it's gonna move faster. So I always come to the weekly time frame and I go back and I check where what's the trend. That's the first thing I ask. What's the trend? So in the weekly time frame, we can tell that this has been in a downtrend. Why? Clear as day. I can see my computer's going slow. You see that the market is going. Damn, it's going slow. It's going down. So I'll put in my notes weekly downtrend. Then I go to my daily. In my daily, you will definitely see again it's in a downtrend. All right, I'm not. You know what? Yeah, it's in a downtrend. You can clearly see it's going down. All right, I'm not gonna really go into details because it's going too slow, but whatever. So what I'm looking for is this. What I do is I go to the daily time frame and I mark up my support and resistance. What I'm waiting for is for either price to break out of this resistance, break out of it with a full engulfing candle. What's an engulfing candle? This is an engulfing candle. A straight body, a straight perfect full candles. I'm not looking for these type of small candles with wicks, all that. Like it's basically these candles are indecisive or either I don't know if I should buy or I don't know if I should sell. Sometimes you gotta really pay attention also to those candles because you're seeing that as the candles, if you don't see candles like with full power, it's because the buying power is going away. the market might reverse to now going to sales, you know, and that's why, because we're in a downtrend. But that's what I do. I look for a full candle like this. So I want the candle to break out of it. I want the candle to break out of here, come back to this resistance, retest, and it will take it to the high of this trend right here. All right, that's for buys. And for sales, which I personally want because I'm following the trend, is I want the market to come down here, break the lows of this support, retest, and we'll target it. We'll target this right here. That's about 162 pips. All I'm looking for is 100 pips, bro. That's it. And if you hold the trades, you're able to get those bigger pips, those bigger payouts. Now, if you're a scalper that comes into the market in and out, you only gonna get like 30 pips, which is cool, but it's just too much emotions. I just rather take it and that's it. That's basically how I do it. I wait for the market to break the low, retest, and then we go on to the next support. That's it. Is it gonna do it tomorrow? I don't know. Is it gonna do it Wednesday? I don't know. It may not even do it next week. Like it may do it next week. I don't know, but I don't care because remember, it's a stream of income. I'm just coming to check on it. The money is gonna come to me. All right. Trading will pay you if you know how to come to the market and how you be disciplined. You gotta learn your risk and reward. You gotta learn how much you're looking to win as a percentage. Remember, you gotta take out money for taxes. That's not a lot of traders don't do that, and I don't know how I'm gonna talk about it because I'm not licensed to do that. But we'll see what down the road. I probably may hire somebody, whatever. But I forgot what was I saying. Yeah, you gotta learn how many trades you want to come in. You can't just take a bunch of trades. That's not trading. That's gambling. You're investing. You gotta learn. You gotta be comfortable for what you want to lose. You cannot lose big. All right. Um, we'll go on more deeper, but that's basically what I saw with GBPUSD. I tried looking at other currencies, but I just need more information. So yeah, so my ideally was to make a sale, but if the market comes all the way up here and breaks, which is gonna take a couple of days, I'm looking for buys. Now for a advanced entry, all right, those who do break and retest, there's a lot of traffic onto the left, but there's a clean candle right here. All right, this is why I want to build the mentorship because I got some keywords that I want to teach y'all. This is a clean candle right here. I'm waiting to break. If I do this, I'm gonna risk a little bit because I'm going against the trend. If it breaks with a clean candle, retest this. I'm gonna taking this up right here, and that's it. And that's about how many pips? It's about 100 pips. That's like 111 points. 111 pips. That's it. That's all you need. Go back to work. All right. So that's for GBPUSD. For NAS 100, this is what I want to see for NAS 100. So NAS 100, man, that's the future. I'm getting into that too because I do not want to be ignorant in case people, the world shuts down brokers to trade currencies. I'll be ready to trade futures. So as you can tell, bro, like NAS 100, all right, has been popping up buying. All right, those who don't know what NAS 100 is 100 stocks in one. So what does that mean? It has 100 stocks, and if one of them is GameStop and NAS 100 goes up, you can do buys in GameStop. That's a keyword for some of y'all. That's a nugget. But for NAS 100, man, like it has been in the all-time highest. There's no information on where is the next support and resistance, or on where is the next stop. You can say a little wall, but I just marked it, bro. I just marked it. So in my experience, since it's been on the top, it probably may go down to sales because it's been buying for so much. And if you know about liquidity, you know that people have stop loss right here, right here, right here, right here. So the market may come down, and the market may turn around, whatever, break, retest, and then take out all the stop loss. The market can do whatever it wants. So I'm just looking at it. I'm not really trying to trade it. I gotta really pay attention to it probably in the lower time frame, but we'll see. But ideally, if it was for a buy, we want the market to break this resistance with a good engulfing candle retest, and we'll see where it goes. That's the problem. We don't want to guess where it might stop. But for sales, clean candles right here. For sales, you got take profit one, you got take profit two, take profit three, take profit four. You got all these take profits. All right. For sales, if it does reverse, we can do a break of the support, retest, and then take it all the way to either right here, right here, right here, right here. Now it's not always gonna always go all the way down. You wanna make it like realistic. Take it to the next support, which is partly this one. And you should be good. Now that is a futures account. You got to open up a futures broker's account. A lot of people are saying Apex account, but for that, I would definitely say do it in your own timing. But that's what we see for NAS 100. We're gonna see if it breaks out here or breaks down here. For GU, I'm looking for sales. Slow, bro. But yeah, ideally we're looking for sales. If it breaks and retests, we'll take it to the next target. If it breaks right here, advanced trading. If it's buys, we'll take it right here to take to this target right here. So yeah, guys, that was the trading breakdown. Hope to see y'all. I'll give you an update probably on Wednesday. We'll give it some time. So God bless you guys.